What's up, Wayne Barron here with CFF Coding Source, and today we're inside of Notepad++. This right here it's not the most recent version. I don't even think I've done an update here recently. This one right here is April 4th, 2023. I might want to do an update. I'm pretty sure there's been one released since then. So what we're going to do is, let's say that you have your HTML here, your CSS here. Let's say that you want to work on both of them at the same time. So what we do is that we come over here, we want to right click on our CSS file, come down here to move document and move to other view. Okay, this right here is going to move it over here to our right. Now let's say that somewhere along the lines we end up having our view down here. At some point it was down here, so we're going to come over here, we're going to right click, then we're going to choose to move view, and it's going to change everything back to the way it was. Let's say that we want to make it into two views again. We're going to right click, come over here, then we're going to move to view, and you're going to see it's going to show it down here at the bottom. But we want this to be on our right and this to be on our left. So everything that's on our bottom, we right click and we move it to the right. It's going to move everything from the top to the right. Everything from the bottom goes to the left. So remember, top, right, bottom, left. And if we leave it like this and we right click it, come over here, move document, and then we close it, and then we right click and then we move document, and then we open it up again, it's going to have it side by side. So whichever way that you leave it, whenever you close, whether it's side by side or up and down, that is the way it's going to show whenever you open it back up again. Now just keep in mind, top goes to right, bottom goes to left. All right, I am Wayne Barron for CFF Coding Source. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.